Hello there. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. Are you finding it hard to cut costs without compromising the health and reliability of your equipment? Then stick around, as we're about to reveal some simple strategies on how to lower your maintenance costs without sacrificing efficiencies. You'll learn how small tweaks to your maintenance strategy can significantly impact your bottom line. Let's get started. Every facility is looking for ways to reduce spending, and one area that often comes under scrutiny is maintenance costs. However, these costs are directly linked to the reliability of your equipment, making it a challenge to find ways to cut costs while maintaining the health of your assets. But don't worry, even the best preventive maintenance programs have some areas where they could be creating waste or not using their money effectively. Before we dive into the details, remember it's always important to constantly monitor your equipment while implementing these cost-cutting measures. The goal here is to ensure that your reliability doesn't take a hit when you're trying to save some bucks. Now let's talk about how you can lower maintenance costs without compromising on efficiencies. This doesn't require a complete overhaul of your maintenance program. Instead, all you need are small improvements to your existing maintenance strategy. Here are 5 tips to help your team lower preventive maintenance costs. First up, schedule optimization. There are 2 big ways you can reduce spending by optimizing your planned maintenance schedule. One is the case of under-maintenance. Your equipment isn't being maintained frequently enough, so you need to widen the PM schedule to accommodate more maintenance hours. While this might not seem like a money-saving strategy, you will save money on unplanned downtime and equipment replacements because your assets will be more reliable in the long run. But remember, it's also important to make sure your equipment isn't being over-maintained. If a piece of equipment requires inspections weekly and you're doing them daily, that might just be a waste of man-hours spent inspecting equipment that doesn't need it. The second tip is to use key performance indicators, or KPIs, to identify opportunities. KPIs are metrics that help you gauge how your organization or facility stacks up to others in the same industry. With the help of industry-specific KPIs, you can measure your maintenance efforts. For instance, if your wrench time is much lower than industry standards and you're seeing low reliability as a result, you can easily pinpoint the problem and implement a solution. The third tip is to monitor your equipment. Without equipment monitoring, it's difficult to understand the true health of your assets. With things like condition-based maintenance, it's possible to monitor parameters that you didn't even know played a role in your equipment's health, like vibration analysis, for example. This can help optimize costs for a preventive maintenance program because it allows you to only perform necessary maintenance. The fourth tip is to train your staff. Strong training programs are a worthwhile investment. You can maximize the efficiency of your facility by setting your workers up for success. With preventive maintenance assistance and tools, your employees can help your preventive maintenance program flourish. The fifth and final tip is to make improvements to your maintenance strategy. Preventive maintenance is only one type of maintenance. It's not the right strategy for every asset in your facility, and misapplying it is a sure way to waste money and resources. A complete maintenance program will incorporate many different types of maintenance like predictive maintenance, condition-based maintenance, reactive maintenance, and run-to-failure maintenance. So, by tweaking your existing maintenance strategy, you can optimize both the costs and efficiencies associated with your maintenance team. Making those small changes, including schedule optimization, use of targeted KPIs, and better training of your maintenance staff can make a world of difference to your bottom line. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you for watching. We've covered some key strategies to help optimize your preventive maintenance program, including schedule optimization, using KPIs, monitoring your equipment, training your staff, and improving your maintenance strategy. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For more resources and information, visit us at upkeep.com. Stay tuned for more, and remember, the key to a successful maintenance strategy is continuous improvement.